So it's been a little while since I made the Spitfire update video. So today actually yesterday, my friend, he drove my Jeep. We hooked a chain to the Spitfire, drove it home from the barn since last time I tried to start it, it didn't want to start. So today, or yesterday, yeah, we just parked it over in the driveway, put a tarp over it since it was going to rain, and then, pretty much today, I brought my friend home from school, and then we started working a lot. Like, we worked all day. I think we're about, what time is it now? It's 9:30, and we started at probably around 3, so we've been working for quite a while. We got, pretty much all the interior out, and, we got the seats detailed and everything, and, let me see, I think they're in here. Yeah, they're back here. They look a million times better than they did before. And, yeah, that needs painted still and everything. But, yeah, so that brings me to the next topic of today. Paint. So, we went to Walmart, bought a whole bunch of rattle cans, and set up the UV up since we're not allowed to paint in the garage. 2 tarps on the 2 sides. That side doesn't have a tarp. I don't think it's too big of an issue since the wind is usually blowing this way. So, yeah. Yeah, you can see the shifter. Yeah, I don't even know what gear it's ever in. Like, it's... Let me put it in gear. Okay, yeah, that's in gear. And... Let me try to get out of the way of the light. Oh. Yeah, that's in gear, I think. I don't know, it pops out sometimes. It feels the same whenever it's in or out. What else? Oh yeah, so this is the ashtray that goes on the dash here. So we opened that up, and then I found the Triumph logo. Oh, focus. Yeah, they're kind of focused. That goes on here, so that'll look really nice. So I need to paint this. I'm gonna detail like the rest of the interior. We cleaned and degreased the whole trunk area here, so that's nice and shiny. We need to do the front. We got it all vacuumed up and used a wire brush and got most of the rust apart and all broken up and everything. Oh yeah, and we got it running, like no problem at all. We put some gas in the the gas tank isn't in there. Here's my gas tank. Put some gas in that and started, no issue at all. And even with the mismatched jet that I have put in right now, it ran pretty good. I took a couple laps around the neighborhood. I think I got a video of it. I still can't really get it to idle right, but
it was like the choke was like,
yeah.
I was like barely hanging in it. Do you want to put like, get like a zip tie and put it around? I think it's blowing,
when I do the whole carb rebuild, I'm sure that'll fix it. I cleaned the whole windshield like really good with a razor blade. There was a ton of red overspray, and I was really confused about what that was about, but apparently, can't see it right now because of the lighting, but it looks like the previous owner painted around the windshield here, and then that's all he ever painted. So I got some undercoating. I got matte black, with a tiny bit of gloss black and gloss white that I found in my house. I got some rust converter. This looks really nice now. This used to be really, really rusty and everything. I'm not sure if I have any pictures. I don't think I do, but actually, exactly like the trunk here, like, it looked like this, like really bad rust from, it was about like a curve like that. Can hardly see anything anymore. Maybe a little bit, but yeah, it's not too bad. I got the hubcaps back on, the original hubcaps. Apparently they're pretty rare, so yeah, that's cool. I got the radio bezel thing. Got that. Yeah, it's a little tacky still, but it's got some primer on it. I've got a little shop light up here, so it's easier to work on out here. Oh yeah, I'm not really sure what this is about, but this is all Bondo right here, and the same on the other side. But only this Mark III door is really dented in, so I don't know why there's Bondo on that side. There's a little bit of a hole in there. Let's see if I can feel any major dents. Yeah, that's weird. I don't really feel any dents under here. I'm probably not going to record a whole lot more tonight. I'll record a little bit. My friend just went home, so yeah. I'm probably going to undercoat that tonight, the wheel wells. Probably not the back ones. I'm going to leave the back for another day. But yeah, I'm going to detail in here and then maybe clean up in here a little bit more. And then that might be all for tonight, since it's already like 9:30 or so. And then I have school in the morning. I got to get a lot of this cleaned up. Maybe I'll sand down a little bit more here too. I guess my phone battery is too low to use the flash right now, and I thought that I had a thing of gloss black, but I guess that was just clear coat in a black container that looked exactly like the gloss white container, just black. But anyway, I'm just going to use a flat black primer on the spare tire hold down. And it says that my phone is too low to use a flash, so you can't really see what's happening probably, but oh well. Just gonna want to spin, and I'm gonna have bad lighting for the camera, but oh well. Actually, first I'm gonna put something over the windshield. Now the windshield is covered up good enough. So I just cleaned it. I don't want to get a ton of overspray on it, but yeah, I'm gonna spray this down off camera and then come back when it's done. It's all painted with a flat black. I didn't do a whole lot on the back, but I did a lot on the front. It'll look really nice when it's all dry. The hood is looking really nice. Maybe I'll put some primer on this tonight. I'm not sure. I forget what time I did my last video, but right now it's 11:03 p.m. I got that undercoated. Same on the other side of the wheel well. I have school in the morning. I don't know why I'm up this late, but oh well, this is fun. I'm gonna regret it in the morning. I just put on my second coat and it's drying, so it looks pretty uneven with a rattle can, but when the first coat looked even worse than this, and it looked completely normal when it dried, so I'm not worried about that. I might do 3 coats, I think. Matte black. I need to do some more painting down here, underneath there, and a couple other spots in the front here, and then both of the fenders up front too. And then it should be done after about 2 or 3 coats on most of that. So yeah, I'm very tired. I think I'm just gonna start cleaning up. I don't think there's anything left to paint. Hey, here's a better look at this. This turned out nice. It's almost like a gray, since I only did 1 coat on it. Unless it's just the lighting right here, but yeah. And then that's black. I don't know why this primer won't stick to this aluminum, but it's pretty annoying. Since, yeah. I might just sandblast it, and then, I don't know, maybe that'll help it work a little bit better. And here is the ashtray. I forgot I need to do 1 more coat of the rust, what's it called? Rust conversion stuff to get that. I'll do that real quick on camera. If I remember where I put it. Yeah, now I think I'm gonna get cleaned up. Tomorrow, if it's not too cold out, my goals are to get the fenders painted, sanded down and painted, possibly like the back part of the body there. The trunk, I'm not gonna do the doors since, maybe I will, I don't know. Since I don't really want to do the Mark IV doors on this car, and the Mark III doors are all dented up and in bad shape. So yeah, maybe up here, I don't know if I'm gonna do that right now or not yet. I might be able to take out the glass. It's pretty rough, or the seal is pretty rough, and this trim piece here that kind of like expands it, I think, to hold the window in place. That's really easy to remove since it is well dry rotted, so might be able to get out the windshield, and that would be a lot easier to paint. Maybe before I go in tonight, I'm going to detail that so that it looks a lot better. But yeah, I want to get all this done tomorrow, hopefully. Yeah, I'm going to detail this real quick. I'm too tired to find the microfiber towel, so I'm just using this one. And I got some more interior cleaner since I ran out on the seats and stuff. So, not sure where to start first. I guess I'll just start from the top up here on the dashboard. Right now I'm just trying to make it look a little bit better. Let's do the steering wheel next. I can hear a relay clicking when I hit the horn. It's looking better. I think that's all I'm gonna do tonight. Since it's very late, it's 11:15 p.m. and I have to wake up at like 6. But this dashboard looks a lot better now, so that's good. Steering wheel a bit better. Some of this stuff I might just need to repaint or get a new one. Yeah, the paint's kind of chipping up here. But yeah, I don't think there's too much other stuff in here I can do tonight. So I think I'm going to end this video here. So if you liked it, remember to like and subscribe, and check back tomorrow or maybe 2 days for my next video, where I'll be painting some more stuff and probably getting it looking more like a car again. So yeah, thanks for watching. Bye.